Um, uh, that was a weird intro. Hey guys, it's me, Catherine, and today we're playing this game called Do Not Press the Button. And,
You're at my house.
yeah, I'm at my friend's house right now. No, time to run because everybody's blowing each other. Ah! No, 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 no. Help me, help me, help me.
Jesus Christ! Oh,
No, 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 no! I died. Who won? Oh, press the button. Even though it says don't press the button. What? Where? Ooh! Jesus! Oh my. Everybody died except this dude right here with his weird wings. Press the button. What? The walls are closing. The walls are closing. The walls are closing. Oh, okay. Thought I had. Give me that diamond. I don't have anything. It's time for what? A trick question. Who's the most experienced item in the item shop? Baksakuda. Oh, dang it. I got the wrong answer. Dang it. What was the answer then? Okay. Press the button. What? What? Oh, the bombs are everywhere. Oh my god. Jesus! Okay, that was scary. Oh, parkour? Okay. I'm fine with parkour. I love parkour. Just climb the ladder. Oh, wait. Is this like a parkour thing that I can get the item? Gimme. Okay, I got the item. Hey, let me see. I want to see. Give me. Let me see. Let me see. It's a cake. Cake. Is that a lie?
yummy!
Oh no, it's not a lie. Yay! I got cake. Yummy. Yummy. Oh, I ate it all. Just like in real life. Can I have more? Oh, the cake was a lie. That was disappointing. Oh. Oh, I played this game. Can I do the thing? It's the color thingy. Come on, red must win. I'm on the red team. Go, go, go. No, 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 no. Come on. Win. We must win. I think the red is winning because literally there's not even much blue. No! No! Who's won? Who won? Please. Wait. Red team won! Yay! Blue got 10. Okay. And then red got 216, I think. What? Okay, Oh, I was about to press that one, but okay, bitch. I don't care if I swear in my recording. I hate soccer. You know what I would rather do instead of freaking soccer? Look, I can't jump off the cliff. You serious? Okay. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hate soccer. Why? I would prefer. What was it called? Sorry, I am dumb and I forgot what the sport is called, but the one where you throw it into the hoop. That one. Basketball. I just remember that. Thank you, Dust. I don't care if anybody got the thing as score. Or whatever words. Okay, press the button. Anybody stupid? Press it. Oh, I hate this one. I'm not happy that somebody pressed it. Because I hate this. I hate this. This always glitches. I freaking jumped in the air. I died in the air. You stupid Just keep jumping even though we're not in the thing. Oh, now it's glitching. You guys can see this. Can I get out of this box in the air that it looks invisible? I am stupid as frick. And also, guys, I'm sorry for not recording for a long time. I just have been busy. Oh my god, the dude just died in the box.
I like singing.
I like dancing. I like trains. Oh, I was stupid. It came from that direction. Literally run it.
You stupid dude.
Well, I died there. So, guys, I hope you like and subscribe. Please comment down below which kind of game I should play on Roblox. Even if you don't have Roblox, just tell me a random game, even if it doesn't exist. Okay, and I hope you like and subscribe, and please ring that bell for notifications. Okay, don't mind the background. So everybody have a nice day. Okay.